finishing off my bedroom makeover. And so in case you missed it so far, we've been doing some work where we've put some moldings and trim up on the wall, we've put some wallpaper up, and we've just been trying to draw the eye away from the big bedroom set that I've got in my room that I bought several years ago. The bedroom set is a little bit of a mistake that I bought about 7 or 8 years ago when I first moved out of home. It's that good old marketing trick that you fall for where you think you need all the matching furniture, but anyway, it's a good quality piece of furniture, so we're not getting rid of it. But the plan is basically to be drawing the eye towards a different focal point in the room, and that is a big feature wall behind the bed. And the wall mural just kind of gives this illusion that there's like a little bit more space in the bedroom than there actually is, like almost like you could kind of step through the picture frame molding and just walk into a forest, like a magical Narnia type thing. Maybe that's just me, but anyway, that's the plan. And so yeah, so far we've changed the curtains, we've put the molding on the walls, we've painted it, we've put the peel and stick wallpaper up. So if you haven't seen that video, I recommend going and check it out. But for now, let's proceed with the final steps. So let's go. Okay, it's another day, and what I hope will be the final day of this room makeover, where we get to hang the pendant lights above the bedside tables and finally finish off the styling and make this room feel nice and cozy. So today, when we've got the pendant lights, I'm going to kind of DIY them a little bit because I couldn't find anything under $100 to hang in my bedroom, so I managed to find a kind of kit from Bunnings, and I'm just going to put it together and hang it from the ceiling with some Scotch mount tape. So I got this extreme double-sided tape, should hold about 2 kilos, I think. So I think the pendant lights are only about half a kilo, so it should be okay, I hope. But got this fixture, so I'll just put some tape along there and stick it to the ceiling. And it's got like this on the bottom, and with this just has this come off, and I've got this little glass shade that I can fit onto it, and yeah, put a rechargeable globe in there. So I got this rechargeable globe just off eBay, and yeah, the only thing to really make sure is that you're getting the right like fitting for your country. So this was an E27, which it says on here on the little sticker. So I think in like America or overseas they might use E26, but this was an E27, so whatever you get, just make sure you're getting the right one. But comes with a little remote, you can just turn it on, you can change colors, you can get like a warm white, cool white. I think this will add a nice ambiance to the room. Yeah, get into it.
That's why I try to swear so much. Julia doing stuff.
It doesn't fit just so tight. Yeah, little. I wonder if YouTube would censor Greek swear words. Okay. Hold back. They're even?
Yep.
Yay!
Okay. Very strong, doing well.
Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Alright, you can put a globe in. Moment of truth?
Oh, beautiful.
Can make them different colours.
Oh, very sexy. Mood lighting. I like that one. It's nice to be wallpaper.
That's the long white.
Alrighty. You know how to have my lunch now? I'll put it in the oven.
So we're on the home stretch now. A few final things left to do in the room, like bringing in this full-length mirror I got cheaply off Facebook Marketplace, this ottoman, and I started styling the dresser and I realized that the dresser was actually in front of a PowerPoint that I needed to be able to turn on my lamp. I then wanted a place to hold my charger cables so that they weren't left lying on the floor. So I fed the cables up underneath my mattress through the slats and used these command clips to attach them to my bedside table. the room is now complete, and before I show you the final room reveal, I just want to thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll leave a link to the video of putting up the moldings and wallpaper if you're interested. But for now, thanks again and see you next time. Bye!